Welcome you all to this video presentation. Today we're talking about marine vinyl. Many people come up with a question why it makes such difference between regular vinyl and the marine. The marine vinyl needs more durability than regular product. Easy examples are resistant against UV light, cold temperature, and unexpected mildew stain. Our marine materials not only suit boats, ship, or yacht, but also look nice with other outdoor decoration. Alright, we're coming to some interesting test methods of the material quality. Martindale and Weinsberg are to make sure our material is great for using in crowded holiday cruise. Stain resistance. Another core reason of ship owners when they are looking for a cover material is the cleanability of the material. UV light. Nobody likes renovation over and over again in short terms. We are more aware of that. UV light exposure and weatherometer are done testing every lot in-house and guaranteed by international standards. Last but not least, apart from being beautifully outstanding, another critical topic is safety. Flammability requirements, regulations, and testing are included in our material. Plus, quality raw materials are allocated from our certified supplier and also in-house made to make sure our product is EN 71 Part 3, which is good for the globe and users. Deck bench, spa cover, sunbay or sun pad, outdoor hospitality, bolster, seating, dashboard, and trimming.